Right, examples like this car behind me don't come around every day. The ultimate Range Rover Sport specced just how you would want it, and we know that this will be a very popular car and a great seller for us. In Borasco Grey, this is a D300 Dynamic SE. It's also got black pack 23s, cloud interior, deployable Towbar from the factory, red calipers. It is the ultimate if you're looking for a diesel Dynamic SE, from the colour to the way it looks. But it's a 24 plate, it's done 8,000 miles, that's all it's done. Still got Land Rover warranty until 2027. And what a car. The Borasco Grey is the metallic colour, but it can look flat. It's the most popular colour for the car, and we know we sell a hell of a lot of them. When it's paired with the styling from the exterior, so that's the black section, black badges, black styling around the front end, wing inserts, bonnet inserts, roof, mirrors, this is a fantastic car. Then we come with the wheels, all important 23s with the red Land Rover braking calipers. It doesn't stop there, because the interior spec is also correct. Against this Borasco, we have the light cloud with the sliding roof. It's also a facelifted car, which gives you the cleaner center console, and the digital dials are now into the screen for your climate control. Things like adaptive cruise, heated wheel, heated front and rear seat, air suspension. You've got to admit, this car looks absolutely fantastic, and like I say, we know we're going to sell this quickly because it is very, very desirable when it looks like this. To the rear, you'll see we've got black boot finisher, black badges, black bottom section to the car. It comes with assisted tailgate, lots and lots of space in the boot. But this cluster of buttons is really important, because you'll see the top one here gives us the option to deploy electrically a tow bar. If you look on the internet, different websites, and look at the towing capacity of different cars, this Range Rover Sport of this generation comes out with one of the top towing cars you can actually physically buy. I think it's to do with the wheelbase. Obviously the engine and the 300 horsepower version of this car is great to drive, but it's a great tow car as well. So as you come round, you'll see privacy glass, black roof, keyless entry, and these door handles deploy electrically in and out of the car. We've then got the duotone interior. That is in the light cloud and the black two-tone seats in the rear, which are heated. You've also got electric or part electric rear seats, which recline from this little lever here onto the door. The speaker integrated into the door now with Meridian sound system. And then so many driver focused features. So first and foremost, into the wing mirror, you'll see we've got the blind spot assist, which is paired on the inside with things like adaptive cruise control on the steering wheel, lane assist, speed limiter. Then we've got full switchable cockpit. You can change and alter the cockpit to your own needs, which is done off the steering wheel here. So if I go into display layout through this control panel, I want to show my map on that screen, and there we go. 8,533 miles on this car. It comes with heated steering wheel, this haptic touchscreen infotainment, which is 11.4 inch. We have the camera system, which we always talk about, reverse camera, top view camera, full surround view 360 camera, and because this car has that lovely option of the tow bar, you then have the towing camera as well. Back into park, back into the screen, we've got so many driver features for your four-wheel drive system, weight sensing, energy impact, and then we've got also wireless smartphone charging down here, wireless smartphone integration. Just a great car in a lovely condition, black headlinings, tilt and sliding sunroof, exactly how you'd want your Range Rover Sport to be, from the colour combination, the wheels, the sliding roof, the tow bar, and the age. The 24 plate means you've got that big balance of Land Rover warranty and breakdown assistance remaining. Only 8,000 miles on this car, and it's in a condition as you'd expect us to be selling. If you're interested, my name's Richard, my number's on the screen. Call me at your earliest convenience to get this car secured. Thanks for watching.